Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Today I have a Save-A-Lot grocery haul to share with you, and we're going to start with the meats first so I can put them away. I got a pork cutlets, a couple ground beefs for some meals, cube steak. I did grab a couple packs of the boneless country style ribs, 2 of the pre-pattied burgers because we're gonna have burgers a couple times, tacos, a hamburger helper, some different kinds of meat. Also grabbed some thin sliced boneless chicken breast, some chicken tenders, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, Arby's fries, Nathan's thick cut fries for a couple burger meals. And I grabbed these Skittles freezer pops. I thought Connor would like that. And this is going to be just jumbled together. However, it tagged some rice sides from Knorr, the cheddar broccoli. I did pick up 2 of these ranch seasoning packs. They were 50 cents each. So I thought that was a really good deal. And I did pick Connor up an orange and a fruit punch hug. I did pick up 2 of the 30 count medium eggs. We like to eat a lot of eggs. I got some Mexican style 4 cheese, sprinkle cheese, some Bar S jumbo franks, some cream cheese. I do have 2 recipes coming your guys' way, so stay tuned for that. Some real bacon bits for a recipe. Tomato, there's apples. I got a big watermelon, some country style butter, some original cooking spray. I picked these Jello cups up for the kids. It's a variety pack, so you get like a cherry, an orange, a lime, and a grape. Strawberry. Potatoes, celery, grapes, lettuce. I also still have to pick up some frozen broccoli and some stuff like that, and I prefer to pick that up at Walmart. I got some of the real mayonnaise because I am going to be making some recipes, so I need some extra mayonnaise. Some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, some Heinz ketchup for our dipping, and some Kurt's tomato ketchup for a meatloaf I'm going to make. I got some flavored meat sauce for spaghetti one night. I did get some of the hot dog chili sauce for hot dogs one night. Some 2 cans of the chicken broth, 99% fat free. I did a recipe a long while ago. It was chicken in the crock pot with mashed potatoes and gravy. Delicious. Definitely. If you haven't tried it out, I will link that recipe somewhere. It's delicious. For a taco night or taco salad night, I got refried beans and I got some nacho cheese sauce for some nachos. 4 cans of the Chunk Light tuna and water. We like tuna, so I grabbed 4 cans of that. And forever I've not been able to find peas, so I grabbed 6 cans of sweet peas, no salt. Last but not least, just a few more items. I got 2 of their So Cheesy macaroni and cheese macaronis. The prices on food are slowly rising. These used to be 30 something cents. They are 59 cents now. Still not a bad deal though. I did get some angel hair pasta for spaghetti one night. I did forget my garlic bread, so I'm going to be picking up some stuff like that at Walmart. Also a lot of Connor snacky kind of thing. Pick up saltines because I'm making a meatloaf one night. And I already have tortillas and ground beef and taco seasoning for taco night. I did pick up a doubled cheeseburger mac for one night. Just a quick and easy kind of meal. Yeah, hate to say it, but the grocery store is seriously slim pickings now, so pretty limited on the meals I can choose and cook and stuff. Luckily I found almost everything I needed for 2 new recipes coming your way, and they're chicken recipes, so stay tuned you guys. That was my Save-A-Lot grocery haul. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already, and always check the description box for additional links.